Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can get a stream key on your Bigo Live. To do so, you have to log into your Bigo Live account from your laptop or your PC. Here I have already logged into my account, and after logging into your account, you'll be able to see that you are on the home page. From here, you just need to go on the connectors right here and hover over your mouse and you will see these options. You can either go on to OBS Stream or just Bigo Live Streamer. Go on to any of these options and then click on it. After going on to the options, you can see that it will take you to a different page where now you need to download the Live Streamer. Just click on download for Windows and the Live Streamer app will be downloaded. Here I have already downloaded the app, and after downloading the app it will show you to this kind of screen. Here you just need to input your phone number or the credentials that you need to log into your account, and after logging into your Bigo Live account, from here you'll be able to go and stream or live stream from your PC or your computer on your Bigo Live. And that's how you can get a stream key in your Bigo Live from your PC or your laptop. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.